case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The landmark case of Boumediene v. Bush in 2008 brought to the forefront the issue of habeas corpus rights for foreign nationals detained as enemy combatants at Guantanamo Bay by the United States military. The focal point of this case was whether the suspension clause of the United States Constitution provided these detainees the right to habeas corpus, which allows prisoners to challenge their detention before a judge. This case stemmed from legislative action in 2005 and 2006. First, the Detainee Treatment Act, DTA, was passed by Congress in 2005 to establish procedures for detainees at Guantanamo Bay to challenge their classification as unlawful alien enemy combatants. The following year, Congress passed the Military Commissions Act, MCA. This act defined unlawful combatants and granted the president the authority to try these individuals via military commissions. However, some detainees from Guantanamo Bay petitioned for their right to invoke habeas corpus. Justice Anthony Kennedy, writing for the majority, determined that these detainees did indeed possess the constitutional privilege of habeas corpus. The Supreme Court held that the procedures laid out by the DTA did not serve as an adequate substitute for habeas corpus. Consequently, it was deemed that Section 7 of the MCA, which allowed for a suspension of habeas corpus rights, was unconstitutional. Questions regarding the president's authority to detain these individuals, as well as whether the writ of habeas corpus must be issued, were deferred for resolution by the district court. This court's decision echoed previous findings that DTA procedures did not adequately uphold habeas corpus rights, thereby ruling Section 7 of the MCA of 2006 as unconstitutional. The court argued that the suspension clause at least protected habeas corpus as it existed when the Constitution was drafted. The Supreme Court also found that the U.S. exercised total control over Guantanamo Bay, leading to the conclusion that the Constitution should therefore apply. While the Eisentrager case served as a precedent, the court deemed it distinguishable based on several factors.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.